In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This is perfect for online classes, work meetings, webinars, or training sessions, and I'll walk you through it in a clear, beginner-friendly way so you can follow along with confidence. To begin, you'll need to be inside a Teams meeting. You can join a scheduled meeting from your calendar or start an instant meeting using Meet Now in a channel or chat. Once you're in, take a moment to check your microphone and camera so they're set the way you want. If you're sharing slides or a screen later, it helps to have those ready to go. When you're ready to start recording, look at the meeting controls at the top of your screen. Click the More Actions button, which looks like three dots, and select Start Recording. Teams will immediately display a notification to everyone in the meeting, so all participants are automatically informed that recording has started. This is important for transparency and compliance. If you don't see the option, you may need organizer or presenter permissions, or your organization might have restricted recording, so check with your meeting host or admin. From here, just run your meeting as usual. You can speak and present, share your screen or a specific window, show PowerPoint slides, and interact in the chat. Teams captures audio, video, screen sharing, and presentations in the recording. For smoother results, decide whether to share your entire screen or just a single app to avoid showing pop-ups. Also, make sure you're unmuted when you need your voice captured. When you're finished, open More Actions again and choose Stop Recording. If you forget, the recording will end automatically when the meeting ends. A good habit is to pause for a second before stopping so the final moments aren't cut off. After the meeting, Teams will process the recording. You'll find it in the meeting chat, and if it was a channel meeting, it will also appear in the channel conversation. The file is saved to OneDrive for standard meetings or to SharePoint for channel meetings. Click the recording to play it back, download a copy, or share it with others. Processing time can vary, so give it a few minutes before you worry if it's not there yet. If you share the link, you can adjust permissions so only the right people have access. A few final notes: only organizers and presenters can start recordings. Guests may not have permission, and your organization's settings determine availability. Participants are always notified when recording begins. Always follow your local laws and company policies, and that's how you record a meeting in Microsoft Teams. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.